Please check the lighting environment. Direct sunlight or strong LED light may result in hardening of liquid during installation. Please make sure the UV curing machine functions well. Function test is mandatory based on the adapter and cable conditions. Fix the stopper. Insert the adapter into the device. Use cleaning kit to remove any dust and fingerprint on the screen. Remove the liner film form back. Match the bottom holes and confirm the alignment. Attach the film to fit the camera hole. After removing the adapter, push the air bubbles and dust away using by the squeegee. Lift the upper half of the film and push with the squeegee to attach it. Attach the lower half in the same way. Use hand to make sure the film covers the screen completely. Gently rub the visible center line and bubbles to remove. Remove the front protective film. Confirm that there are no lifted areas. Curing time, 60 sec each for bottom, middle, top part.